Hey guys, so in this video I'll be showing you how to make a DIY cooling system for your laptop using items that are just lying around in most of our homes. In this specific build, I'll be using an old DVD player, 3 DC fans and also a 12 volts adapter. My aim is to install these fans in a manner that 2 will be blowing cold air into the laptop while 1 fan sucks out hot air from the inside of the laptop. The first step is to ensure that we remove all the internals of the DVD player, since at the end of the day you want to make sure that we properly utilize all the space that is inside there. Depending on how the vents below my laptop are placed is how I'll be able to easily determine the arrangement of my fans. So the fans are finally mounted. One sucks in hot air from the laptop, while the 2 blow in cold air into the laptop. The wiring has been done and each individual fan has its own switch. This helps them to switch on independently. And this is the master switch. So let's put it to the test. It is very evident that most laptops normally have ventilation at the bottom area. This normally helps them to ensure proper air circulation. So let me demonstrate how it works. You first put on the master switch, then the individual switches follow. After which, you just place your laptop on top of it and let it do its cooling magic. This is definitely a good project for gamers and editors.